Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I be all designing developer. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using React 18. I hope you enjoy that all stuff which I have uploaded using React 18. So I think that now we have uploaded many of the videos using React 18. You can say it's 66 to 67 videos we have uploaded using React 18, and I think that now we should just move on to another language because I think it is boring for you. Like you are learning only one language tutorial since a while, and I understand that it is just really boring and you are just saying that we are just doing one thing again and again like that. So now I think that we should start any other tutorial series. So today we are starting, or you can say from today we are starting an amazing Java tutorial series, and from today I will be giving you all the you can say all the tutorial about JavaScript I will be giving. But in today's video we will be not working on any of the thing in JavaScript. Just I will be giving you the introduction, and I will be telling you what is JavaScript and how you can work with this. So basically today video is just, you can say, explanation video. Then on the other coming up videos we will be setting up all the JavaScript environment, and then we'll be working on that. So I hope you'll be understanding today's video of Java, which is our first video of introduction to Java. So if you understand this video, remember to hit a like, and if you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. And remember to check out my all the future videos which I'll be uploading. So just now we'll be starting with our video. So like I've telling you, we'll be just starting with our introduction. So basically, what is Java? So basically you have to just take one thing in your mind, like you don't have to mix up Java or JavaScript, because Java is a different language and JavaScript is a different language. So just you have to make a link between, don't have to make a link between these two languages. JavaScript is different and Java is different. So you have to make these both languages separately, because many of the people mix these both languages. One is Java and one is JavaScript. They mix and they completely, you can say, they completely confused in that, like JavaScript is same or Java is you can say same, but these are different things. JavaScript is different language and Java is different language. Java helps you to build, or you can say Java works only in mobile applications or any other projects like tic-tac-toe game like Python works on, and JavaScript works on only backend. Like if you want to build projects or in any of the websites, so you can use JavaScript in that. But from today we are starting Java series, and Java is a language, or you can say it is a library which is used by many of the mobile developers. You can see many of the Play Store apps we are getting on our mobile that are created on Java, that are only created on Java. So you have to take one thing in your mind, the apps which you are getting or apps which you are using in your mobile that have been created on Java, because Java has work on, you can say Java has work on Android, and in Android we get all the applications, so that all applications are built in Java. So one is another language which is called Flutter. So why I'm telling you about Flutter? Because we have started Java series and you all know that Java and Flutter. Flutter, I'm telling you about that because Flutter only build iOS device apps. Like you see in the iOS device, or if you use iPhone X or iPhone, any of the iPhone version, so you see many of the apps in iPhone. So that apps has been built in Flutter, because Java support only Android version, it not support iOS. So because of that, in the Android only Java built app, and in iOS only Flutter built app. So Flutter has, you can say, two main things which is really important for a user to know. Flutter can build apps in Android also, and Flutter can build in iOS also. So it is, you can say, advanced level version of Java, but Java can only build apps in Android. So because of that, Java is a older version, but we are starting from beginning. So because of that, I will be first of all giving you whole the tutorial about Java. Then when we'll be covering up all the tutorial about Java, we'll be moving on to Flutter as well. But you can say we are just starting from beginning. So we have to first of all start Java. Like I'm telling you, Java helps you to build mobile applications which you are getting on your mobile. So we will be also building some of the mobile applications. I will be telling you that what text editor we should be using when we are working with Java, and what things are important when we are using Java. So I'll be giving you all the info about that moving forward in the video. But in this video, I just only want to explain you that what are the basic things of Java, like how Java works. And Java is a programming language, like JavaScript is a programming language. So Java is also a programming language. So remember that thing. But Java is a programming language which is used by mobile developers. Like you know that we are having many of the software engineer, software developer, but software engineer and software developer use JavaScript, HTML, CSS like languages to build their website or portfolio thing. But mobile developer use Java and Flutter to build its mobile app. Like if you want to build apps in iOS, so you will be using Flutter, and if you want to build apps in Android completely with new effects and new modern things, so you will be using Java. So this is the thing which I want to tell you about Java and Flutter. But we are not working with Flutter, we are working with Java. So moving forward in the coming up videos, I will be telling you more things about Java, and I'll be telling you basically where Java works and what is its main features and things which we use as Java. So just I hope you understand our today's video. This was a small video, just I want to give you explanation about Java, like how you can work with Java. And if you understand this video and if you enjoy this thing which I've telling you, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see my all the coming up videos. And remember to check out my all the previous videos which I have uploaded, because I have also covered up many of the React editing videos that will giving you help to a user. And then in the previous videos, I have also built many of the big projects using Next.js 13, React.js, and many other languages, and I hope you'll be enjoying that. Remember to check that out things, because that will also giving you help to a beginner if they want to build these amazing projects, and I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying that projects as well. So just now we'll be meeting in next video, and I hope you understand the next video. Next video also will be not working any of the practical work, just I'll be telling you about what is Java. So just now we'll be meeting in next video. So for today, goodbye.